Okay guys, how you doing? So I talked about adding special blend. So I didn't want to add chemicals to the water because I added special blend. But since in my previous video that I just did, the night rate is too high. It's at a level 3. It's at a 10 level 3. Because if you go up in the chart, down in the chart, the first one at 0 is a level 1. The second one at 5 is a level 2. And the third one at 10 is a level 3. So I'm at level 3. I got the night rate up to, and it's in between a level 2 and a level 3. So I'm going to add some prime to dechlorinate that. And I got the ammonia in between a level 2 and a level 3. So this prime helps with not dechlorifying. It helps with detoxifying ammonia, nitrate and nitrate. So I'm gonna add some of this, and all this does is detoxifies it. It leaves the chart still at a level it leaves the chart at a level at the same level, so it will stay at level 3 nitrate, but it will detoxify it. So I'm here to detoxify it. And the tricky thing about this is I bet you have to put solution every single day. Just a couple drops, but every single day. Because if not, and then imagine the nitrate and the ammonia goes up and you're not putting the drops, it gets even more worse. So if you put this every day, I bet you have to, because if you don't, it's not detoxified, and your nitrate and your nitrate and your ammonia, it stays at the same level. So say they're all at level 3. You won't know whether it's detoxified or not. So that's why I bet you have to put it every day. Because if it's not detoxified, then if you don't have like a utensil that shows you whether the nitrate or the nitrate is detoxified, then yeah, how are you supposed to know whether the nitrate or the nitrate is detoxified? You know what I'm saying? Like, it can be at a level 3 and you detoxified it 2 days ago, but now today you're not sure whether it's detoxified or not, and you're not sure whether to put some prime in the water. So I bet it's an everyday thing. You do your salt test, you still see it get a little darker, you have to put some in. You see it get a little lighter, you still have to put some in. Because I don't think that, I'm sorry I said a little lighter, because I haven't seen no change. I've only seen the ammonia and the nitrate go up, and that's why I added more prime, because the ammonia and the nitrate went up, and the nitrate stayed the same. But there's no way of telling whether the water is detoxified. Like, to my knowledge, I don't know anything, no utensil. I don't know how to tell whether my water is detoxified or not. So I need something. I've heard of argon, and I'm trying to get argon, because it says it removes nitrate and nitrate. So if it removes it used the word remove. So if it says remove, it's not detoxifying it. It's now removing it from the water. And that's why you have to stay consistent with your water changes, because that brings down the nitrate and the nitrate, because of the fact you're removing water with nitrate and ammonia, and you're adding fresh salt water that has no nitrate or ammonia or nitrate. So that also brings down the levels. I have a gallon of water right here that I want to do a water change, because it's a 10 gallon. That's 10%, a gallon. And but since I added this special blend, I don't want to do that. I want to wait the week and waiting the week could cause harm to my tank because the nit rate can go up in the ammonia. But I think I'm just gonna, cause I added 15 milliliters. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the water change and add a milliliter of this, and hopefully in a week from now, in a couple days, like in 5 days to 6 days from now, that the special blend starts working, and in my filter I get gunk, and I'm hoping all that happens. That way in my filter I get gunk. That way I know the special blend's working and the water clears up. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you later.